everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ideas Classroom. Friends, today is a very special day for me that today I have received my Achievers Pack from India Book of Records for fastest recitation of periodic table. First, let me explain how I learned the periodic table. I started learning the names of all the 118 elements of the periodic table during the lockdown period of March 2020 when I was promoted to class 3. Gradually, my interest in learning its electronic configuration, valencies, atomic number, etc. of elements increased. Now comes the speed factor. Initially, it took around 2 minutes to recite all the 118 elements of the periodic table, and then after daily practice, it took around 40 seconds, then 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and then finally I applied for India Book of Records for fastest recitation of periodic table. The previous record for fastest recitation of periodic table was for 17.83 seconds as mailed to me by India Book of Records, and now the record for fastest recitation of periodic table stands by my name, Aradhya Sharma, which is 15.09 seconds. And now I am very excited to unbox my Achievers Pack from India Book of Records for fastest recitation of periodic table. Here I go. So this is my Achievers Pack from India Book of Records with its logo on the top. Now I am going to unbox it. It's beautifully packed from inside. So here is a medal. With India Book of Records logo, and here's the tricolor of Indian flag. We have also got a badge. Here also it is printed India Book of Records. Here is my iCard. It is written India Book of Records holder 2021. Aradhya Sharma, fastest to recite all elements of periodic table. Here is one pen with India Book of Records written on it with its logo. It's a beautiful pen. Here are two stickers of India Book of Records. We can put it in our cars or on our bags also. And here is the India Book of Records book. Here are the record holders of 2020. And finally, here is the certificate. It is written, India Book of Records, extraordinary feats, extraordinary people, fastest to recite all elements of periodic table. The record for being the fastest to recite all the elements of the periodic table was set by Aradhya Sharma, born on October 2nd, 2011 of Dibrugarh, Assam. She recited the entire periodic table in just 15.09 seconds at the age of 9 years, 6 months and 17 days as confirmed on April 19, 2021. And now I am going to present the video from which I have received this Achievers Pack. Let's start. Good morning, respected Principal Nielsen and Madam My name is Aradhya Sharma. I am studying in class 4 Donbas High Secondary School, Dibrugarh, Assam. Today I am going to try to read all the 118 elements of the periodic table first slowly and then try to set a new record by reading it fast. Let's start. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, chromium, copper, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, indium, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, beryllium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, chromium, samarium, niobium, gallium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, iridium, thorium, yttrium, plutonium, hafnium, tellurium, tungsten, indium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, helium, lead, bismuth, trillium, acetylene, iron, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, macrolinium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, metallium, nobelium, lutetium, rutherfordium, dupnium, siborium, borium, hassium, lithium, darmstadtium, leucinium, copernicium, neonium, flavorium, muscovium, livermorium, ginseng, oxygen. Now I will try to read it fast and set a new record. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, silver, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, radium, vanadium, chromium, benzene, copper, zinc, gallium, ruby, sodium, titanium, cadmium, cesium, calcium, Yes. 15.9 seconds. Thank you.
So I would like to congratulate Aradhya Sharma for reciting the periodic table by heart within 15.9 seconds. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and on the subscribe button to get more videos. Bye.